Okay, we're out here in my truck. We're about to open up this dash cam with a backup camera. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like up front, what it looks like with the backup camera, and I'm going to put it up there through my window up on top of the truck so I can kind of see more of the area. Okay, this is everything that's in the box. It's going to come with some instructions to tell you everything that you need to know. This is the power cable. It is USB-C, so you can plug this up right there or use your USB-C that you already have. You have the suction cup that's going to attach to the front glass up here so you can see out the front with the camera. And then the camera itself, it's going to come with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. And then it's also going to come with an adapter to hook it up to your computer, along with some tools that get the SD card out and various other things to kind of help everything that you're going to be doing with the camera. So how we're going to do this is we are going to install the suction cup just like this. So we got our connection here. We are going to, it's loose right now. See, that's going to be the lock. See, there is a little arrow telling you turn it this way to put the suction on. So let's go ahead and do that. And you can obviously attach this anywhere, like up closer if you want, but that's where I'm going to put it for this video. And then you got your backup camera here with a nice long cord, and it also detaches for kind of like an ease of install kind of thing. So that'll detach. I'm going to go back there. I'm going to take this double-sided tape off and put it on top of the truck, and I'll show you that after I do the inside stuff. So this is where I have it mounted on the truck. That's what you just saw. That rear camera is looking down, so that's where I have this one mounted. Obviously it's temporary, and I'm just kind of show you guys what it looks like in the video. Truck, and I'll show you that after I do the inside stuff. Okay, so we got our back. It's not really a backup camera, it's more of a rear recording. You know, you want to record the front and you want to record the back in case anything's going to happen. So we got that hooked up. It's on top of my cab. Looking back, I'm going to hook the power cable up with this. Do it just like that. Now we got our power hooked up. And obviously, if you're going to be installing this in your vehicle, you're going to be hiding this stuff better than it is here. But this is for demonstration purposes, obviously. I'm going to show you guys a close-up. Okay, so that's what it looks like recording from the front. You see, it's pretty clear. And it is recording. Like I said, it's going to come with a 32 gig, but you can put a bigger one in here if you want, and you can transfer these to your computer whenever you're done with them if you need to. Okay, that's better. So I hit OK here. It's going to pause it. Hit OK again. It's going to click. You're going to hear it click and say record. It's recording in 4K plus 1080p. If I want to, this is looking at the rear. You can see the back of my truck. And if I want to go to the front, I can go there. Again, I'll hit OK. It's going to pause it. And then if you want to go to the menu and check out some of the like rear ordinary video, hit OK there. And then you can replay some of the video. Same thing with the front camera. Go to the menu, front ordinary camera, hit OK, and you can play back the videos there. So if you don't want to mess with all the settings on the device itself, what we're going to do is download the app. So you're going to scan that QR code, go ahead and install that. Okay, so I had to end up holding the up button on the device and connecting to it manually. So the MO2X here on the screen, that is the device. Let me go back now. Okay, so this is the camera itself. See, it's getting mirrored to my phone, and that's what's nice about this app. You don't have to go there and like try to look at it yourself. And you can see it's the side of my house. You go to camera settings, mess with all the settings here. We can go to collision detection, G-force detection, loop recording duration, all kinds of different settings that you can mess with. Let you know how much room you have left on your SD card, all that good stuff. So this is the app, and it's a lot better than using everything that's on the device, because you can sit here and mess with it in your hand. And if I want to, the front camera, you can hit that little box down there to hit the rear camera, and that's the app. So that is this dash camera. You can get it in the front, you can get it in the back. The suction cup is super duper good. It comes with everything you need to record and take it off of the recorder onto your computer. It comes with adapters, everything like that. So yeah, if you're looking for a full 360 dash cam that's going to look at the front and the back of your truck, this one's not bad. I'm Jace. Okay, so I had to end up holding the up button on the device and connecting to it manually. So the MO2X here on the screen, that is the device. Let me go back now. Okay, so this is the camera itself. See, it's getting mirrored to my phone, and that's what's nice about this app. You don't have to go there and like try to look at it yourself. And you can see it's the side of my house. You go to camera settings. Mess with all the settings here. We can go to collision detection, G-force detection, loop recording duration, all kinds of different settings that you can mess with. Let you know how much room you have left on your SD card, all that good stuff. So this is the app, and it's a lot better than using everything that's on the device, because you can sit here and mess with it in your hand. And if I want to, this is the front camera. You can hit that little box down there to hit the rear camera, and that's the app.